Okay, hello my beautiful people, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. I'm so sorry today you won't see my face. I quickly want to show us and show some of us that we are still using a phone for everything, how we can make use of our YouTube studio, like our new YouTube studio. For example, if you are going, this is our YouTube channel, these are YouTube app. So if you are going from here that you thought you have YouTube studio, if you are using your phone, and referring to us, if you are using your phone, this is actual video for you to watch. Just sit down and watch it very well and understand what I'm saying. So it's not right for you to go from here. I won't advise you to go from here, because here on that just normal YouTube studio, on that your channel, is all about dashboard, video, playlist, comment, analysis. That is all. So my advice for us, I won't allow us to go from there if you are using your phone. So if you are based on phone, and so right, our hack socks, my advice is that just go through Chrome. So as you can see our Chrome here, you can see my cursor. So let's go through our Chrome. This is how it looks like, and this is what it brings out from our Chrome. It's still the same channel, my dear, but the only different, as you can see, the different is clear how it looks like. The functions is different from that place. Okay, there we have dashboard, we have video too, we have playlists, we have analysis, we have comments. But that place, there is no substitutes, there is no monetization, there is no audio library, there is no settings and feedback. Okay, so let's quickly show us and tell us the uses of all. So this dashboard here, as you can see my cursor, they write it dashboard is all about here. This is, we are right here in dashboard. In your dashboard you find the latest video, the last video that you publish, how it's published, how they view it, how they click it, the click rate, and how your viewers rank it for you. So you find it here. At the middle here you find YouTube news, what YouTube is all about, what the creators like, the future, another future, or any news that YouTube is bringing for the week or for the month. Here you can see, for example, now this week is this week at YouTube, so all about YouTube, you find it here. Yeah, all about YouTube. And here at the side here you find, down here you find people that subscribe to your channel. So that is where you find it. Up here you find your small picture right here, and you find your small picture at the right and at the left of the page, at the left of the dashboard. And here you find people that subscribe to the channel, and you find, as for the last 28 days, the watch time her and the views, everything. So that is how the dashboard is. So that is what you are going to find on the dashboard. Here the second one, so we are going to hit our videos. So all the videos that you publish, all the videos that you didn't publish, all your videos, once you put it on YouTube, you find everything here. You can see here your video, and this, the visibility, maybe it's public, maybe it's private. For example, now it depends on you. If you want to put it on, let's click it now and you see, come on. So if, as for the public, everyone can see this video. So if you make it private, yeah, the visibility. So if you make it private, for example, this one now is private, you can see only you and the people you choose can see this video. For example, some people you throw the link to, you pick the link from here. I'll still show us how we can do it. So you throw it out there so they can watch it directly from the studio. So it's very nice. That is the changes that new studio it's all about. It's quietly different from the old one. So the unlisted people also, so they can watch it. So here are the restriction, so none, it doesn't have anything, so it doesn't have any restriction. And this one, there is copyright claim. The copyright claim, sometimes it can be someone's materials that you use. So you can see here, for example, this video was found to contain copyrighted material. As a result, it cannot be monetized by the uploader. So one day too, I'll still work on that one also. I will advise us, if you find any copyright on your phone, don't leave it there, my dear. Even if they told you that, oh, it's very free, that it doesn't disturb you, it doesn't do this, don't mind them. So it's better you get rid of it. This one is the date you publish it, and here you find the views, the people that views, and right here are the comments, and here is the like and dislike. So once you click on the video right away, so you are going to find everything here. So let's go back to where we are here. So let's go back again. What is so fine, that is our video. So here you find comments, so that is our video. So here you find the playlist. Those are the playlists you create. Those are the playlists on the channel. So those are the playlists on that channel. Maybe it's for you or it's for collaboration, so you find it there. So here are your analysis. So this is where you check your analysis, these three, like in form of graphs. So this is how you find the overview. They'll send you a message, looking good, this is how the channel is doing. So here also you still find your subscribers, how many people that subscribe to you. You find how many views that you have for the last 28 days. You find how many subscribers. You find your watch hour, how many watch hour do you get for the video. You find that here you see the graph. Here you can see, so you see the graph of the video, how people watch it. For example, here right now, so on the 21st 2020 June 2020, you can see it goes up. You can see, you find the numbers of people that watch it. So that is about the overview. And reach here, it means the people that the video gets to. So your video, tell me what happened. This thing is not. So you can see how the impression, it's not that, it's not that. The only people that click, the unique people, you find it here, the only 6 people, the views only 11, and the impression, the click rate, you can find how the video is doing. So you can, whenever you put your video there, just go straight after 2 days, after 48 days, so YouTube will compute everything together, so everything will comes out there. So these are the people that watch it through the playlist. Yeah, as you can see, the 72% of the channel. So these are the channel search that they search through YouTube search. Yeah, displays YouTube recognizes as unknown. So this one is a playlist. So that is that about analysis. And here again, so we have comments. Those ones are comments that you find on all the comments that comes out from your channel. So those are the comments that in and out of your channel. So that is that about comments. And here is the substitution. And if anyone complain that they want substitution on your phone, so you are going to find it here, the language, the modifier, the topic, so how you do it and how it goes. So here is our audio library, music. So here you are gonna find it. If you want to use it direct, as you can see, all the musics come down here. So if you are going to edit from your studio, if you are going to edit from your studio direct, so don't worry, no need of going back to going back to YouTube channel. So here you find all why are you not going? So here you find all the music that you are going to use. Close, come on. So here you find all the music that you are going to use. So that is about YouTube, about audio. Come in here, that is about audio library, and here you are going to monetization. So if this channel has monetized, it will change. You see how it's changed. So this place, the number will move up, and as you can see. So if you are going to monetize your channel, my advice is like just click here and notify them, so whenever you are up to and you are up to monetization, so they will just notify you about that. So yeah, this is where we are going to. So I'm going to advise us more. If as for that side you won't find it like this. So here, this channel, for example, general, it's dollars or something like that. So they can ask you to change it. Don't change it, so leave it like that. So here you can see different kind of currency. So any currency that you want. So here are the channel. This is what, so sorry guys, this is what the channel is all about. Basic info, advanced settings, your brand. So one day also I'll still work on how we can our brand, and once you put it here, it will actually work. So and it will show on all our videos. So let me just glance us through. So once you go in there, everything, you will know the uses and how it works. I don't know what is wrong with this cursor, it's not moving. So the brand, oh my goodness. So the brand, if you upload your branding, so this is where maybe you want it to show here, or to show just choose anything on your brand. So that is not where we are going to today. Upload, this maybe you want often, you are someone that is uploading often, like the same topic, so you can drop it here. So whenever you are putting something there, you won't be typing every time. So it will be more easier for you. So this place is the title, and the here is the distribution. As you can see here, you can write your distribution there, and down here is the feasibility, if you want it to be public, private, and unlisted. So that is where you find that you can see that is how. So you can easily copy everything there. So whenever you want to here also you put your tag. So whenever you are putting videos there, you won't be typing every time. Here are the advanced settings. So as for the advanced settings, same like I just want us to know, because most of us, most of my colleagues, if I check their videos, their distributions, there will not be anything like all these things there. So that is why I said let me just put it out there for us, so we can know how to do it, guys. So here are your license. You are gonna go through it very well. So maybe we have two license, the standard YouTube license, and so sorry, I'm using the cursor is not going. So and we have the Creative Common. So the Creative Common, easily anyone can download it, and it's free to use, it's not copyright. So here are the categories of your topic. Yeah, maybe you are filming on education, entertainment, people, blogs, traveling and events. So you pick what your video is all about. This language and this community contribution. That is that about that. And here permission means, let me click on it. So the permission here, it's if you give someone permission to your channel, so it's you are at your own risk. Here you go here and click invite, so you can invite anyone, any email, so to manage your channel for you. So if you are someone like some people, they have manager, like all these musicians, so all these celebrities, they have managers for their channel. So that is the uses of that. And if you want managers, like the people that they will be managing your stuff, so you go to that place, so you manage it. And the last one here is the community. So the community, here you'll find the moderators, the people that they will moderate your channel whenever you go live, or if you're not on live, you give them blue jacket. So those are the uses of the moderators. And here you find the approvers, the approval user that they are using your channel with you. And here, if you want to hide any channel here, so anybody, any channel on YouTube, so you hide if you don't want them or their comments or something like this, so you hide them. And here also, these are the spam words. These are the spam word that you are going to block. Maybe subscribe, so subscribe. You don't want it on your page. As you can see, what I wrote: emoji, return, support, numbers like 4. So that is that about that. So we are taking too much time, so that is just short tutorial on how to use YouTube Studio. So this one too is agreement between you and YouTube. Whenever adding being this channel is, I've registered the YouTube partnership, so you will find it here. You will find the agreement that I and YouTube have agreed that we are into business. So that is that about that for today. Thank you so much, guys. I love you so much. Thanks for watching. Make sure you watch and make use of this, and let me see the changes in your channel. Love you so much. To see you in another video. Kisses. Bye.